Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. This is Praveen Dure from Dice University, and in today's video, we are going to take a look at why you shouldn't use GetResponse to create your affiliate page. Sounds interesting? The video would be much more interesting. So stay tuned until the end of the video, and please support us by hitting the subscribe button, the like button, as well as the bell notification so that we can keep creating good content for everybody. So let's begin. Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about why you shouldn't use GetResponse for your affiliate pages. Some of you might be confused. Hey, I thought GetResponse was an email responder. GetResponse in general is like a one-stop solution as well. They do have a lot of features, but their main feature is definitely email marketing. But like I told you, the one that we would be focusing on today would be their section on the landing page builder, because that's what we are interested in, right? And we're going to tell you why it does not suit for affiliate pages. So let's get started, guys. So the first one is that this particular GetResponse landing page builder was not specifically built for landing page. Imagine we have like Unbound, we have ClickFunnels, then we have lead pages. All this particular software was built specifically for landing page. Even though Unbound has a lot of features, Builderall has a lot of other features as well, their main feature would be building landing page. That from that particular feature, they do have different product, different features, and that's how all of their competitors goes. But when we are talking about GetResponse, like I told you initially, their main business is email marketing, and they are not built specifically for landing page. And since they are not built specifically for landing page, definitely they are not specific enough for affiliate pages, because affiliate pages is a subcategory from a general landing page, so if a general landing page itself is like they're not specified for that particular general landing page, how could they be much more specific, much more narrowed down into a landing into an affiliate page? And that's one of the major reasons why you shouldn't use the GetResponse for your affiliate page, guys. So the second thing is about their billing issues. This is issues that have been faced by, I don't know why it happens, guys. Maybe it's because they have a lot of products. I don't know. I really don't know. But they do have these billing issues where a lot of people complain, a lot of users complain that they have been charged twice or three times. One like in one transaction. For example, let's say my monthly transaction is like $25, for example. They have been charged for two times, which is $50 in per transaction, and then they have to go ahead and take the refund and everything. Of course, they are very good in giving refund from the comment, because personally I have not used the GetResponse before. I have only used it for email marketing previously. I've not used it to build a landing page. In fact, I only get to know that there is actually a landing page product within GetResponse, like I think December, I'm not sure. Earlier this year, guys, earlier this year. That's when I got to know. I'm not sure when exactly, but then that's the whole issue. They do have a billing issue over here. They're very good with their refunds, but then the procedure takes some time, and it's kind of annoying. Like you get billed twice, not one time, but then 2-3 times. That's like really, really annoying. And GetResponse can really, really give you that particular annoying feeling of this, guys. And the third thing is that the drag and drop builder in the get response can be hard to use, which means that literally I'm telling you, because once because I don't do video just based on talking or just based on reading, guys. Whenever I want to do a video, I would go ahead and explore that particular software that I'm talking about. So I did went and explore the get response landing page builder, and you know what, the landing page builder has a drag and drop feature, which is supposed to make things easy, right? But actually, the drag and drop features are a little bit complicated, guys. Even though I'm an experienced affiliate marketer, I find it a little bit hard to use. Imagine how bad it would be for a beginner affiliate marketer who's just embarking in his affiliate marketing journey. It would be really, really hard for him to actually use the drag and drop builder. But personally, I like it a lot. I like it a lot, even though it was a little bit hard first time when I tried to use it, but then after that I got used to it. But literally talking in a perspective of a beginner affiliate marketer, the drag and drop builder can be really, really pain, guys, pain to use and really, really hard to use. Something which is meant to make things simplified is it was I don't know how it got shifted to make things a little bit hard, as well as the navigation within the platform itself is really, really hard. And the final one, this is the final one. So they do not have a phone support unless you opt in into their enterprise account. I'm not saying that the support is bad. Actually, the support is quite okay. Okay, I won't say very good, but the support is quite okay. But then to get reach for you to actually reach their support, it's really, really hard to reach their support. And if there's actually a phone support, I actually prefer phone support. I don't know whether you might say, hey, you're an old guy, man. I'm not old. I'm just 28, guys. So yeah. So I really prefer phone support where I can deal with my problems by talking to a customer representative. I like that way, guys. Like I'm talking to a real person. But then with the Get Response, they do not have a phone support unless you go ahead and opt in into their enterprise plan. Usually, it won't be enterprise plan, guys. Usually, it would be like the second level or third level. You already got the phone support. Definitely, I know a lot of landing page builder. The initial plan they do not have phone support, but then later on they will have phone support as well. And that's what I expected with Get Response as well. But no, it's only for their enterprise thing. So cannot get phone support, cannot get a real person talking to you. I feel that that's like a big drawback for a landing page builder. And then finally, I thought that was final, but this was final. Okay, finally, I told you, right? The drag and drop builder is hard to use. This particular Great Response is not built specifically for landing pages. Definitely, the features are not available. Stylish feature. You want to make your landing page look nice. You want to import fonts. The fonts are limited. The fonts look bad. The style, you can't change the style very much. You can't customize a significant change. You can't do a lot of stuff with the landing page builder from the Great Response guy. Imagine, I'm talking about building a landing page where I'm talking totally general. You can build sales funnels, affiliate funnels, whatever, guys. I'm not talking specifically about affiliate pages. So even if it does not give this kind of features for a general purpose, then definitely it cannot give that purpose for a specific purpose, much more specific purpose, guys. So you might be asking me, okay, enough. I know what you're meaning. The Get Response is not built for affiliate pages. It's built mainly for email marketing. That's why they're not so good. So what should I do? You can go ahead and opt in into Landerize, guys. Landerize is a brand new landing page builder which I've explored. I personally like it so much, guys. One of the main reasons is you have to upload you can go ahead and upload, you can go ahead and upload your landing page or affiliate page within Amazon S3, which will make the landing page to load pretty fast, guys. And that is awesome. I want things to be fast. Not only me, the reason is if you are a media buyer or you're affiliate marketer, you would know how important is it for your landing page to be fast. If your landing page is not fast, you will end up getting a lot of click rate, but very less click through rate. And That's why we need a fast landing page. And with Landerize, you can also integrate your tracker, any external tracker you have, volume, BNOM, rate track, everything can be integrated with Landerize. Did I just mention that I have also put the link for Landerize in the description of this video in case you want to go ahead and check it out, guys? Go ahead and check it out, guys. You won't be wasting your time. I'm pretty sure about it. And they do have the drag and drop feature still, which makes things much more simplified. They do have around 50 templates, if I'm not mistaken, and I really hope that they improve because they are very new. So definitely they will be improving into more templates very, very soon. It takes less than I did this, guys. I did this personally. You go into Landerize, you try to do a landing page. It takes you less than 5 minutes to create a super awesome landing page, guys. And it applies to beginner affiliate market as well. Maybe for beginner affiliate market it's a little bit longer, 10 minutes or 15 minutes, but then you can do it within 5 minutes, and that's simply awesome. But the point that the Landerize stands on top of any other landing page builder is the Landerize was built by an affiliate for affiliate marketers, guys. That means this landing page builder is built specially to cater affiliate marketers. Only an affiliate marketer would know an affiliate marketer's problem, guys. For example, I am an affiliate marketer. I've been using a lot of landing page builder before, and then definitely I have certain things I don't like with this. We can't do this with our affiliate page. We can't do this with our affiliate page. But when an affiliate builds the landing page builder, definitely he will feel the same thing and he will put all these points into consideration. And that is why Landerize is the best. Currently, I feel like it's one of the best software that you can go ahead and opt in if you want to create your affiliate page. Like I told you before, I have already put the link for Landerize in the description of this video. So if you're interested, go ahead and take a look at that link. Take a look at Landerize. Go ahead and familiarize yourself with the Landerize. You will not regret it, guys. So I think we have reached to the end of this video. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I hope that today's video was beneficial for you guys. So keep supporting us, guys. Please support us by hitting the subscribe button, the like button, the bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. So stay tuned and bye-bye.